Hi, hi, hi. How is everyone today? How are you doing? How is your Saturday? I hope you are having an awesome weekend. So for anybody who doesn't know me, I'm Lisa. I am the singing Scentsy lady. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. Now, I'm coming live today because I want to share with you my Scentsy Club. So I get my Scentsy Club. I've got two Scentsy Clubs. I get them delivered every 3 months. Now, let me quickly tell you the perks of having Scentsy Club because it is flipping awesome. So as most of you will know, with Scentsy, every 6 months, so twice a year, we have a new catalogue. So what happens is some of the bars from the previous catalogue go back in the closet. They go in the safe, out the way. We don't have those anymore, and we get all our lovely new fragrances. But sometimes bars that are being discontinued, we absolutely flipping love and don't want to be without. So what Scentsy have done is they have this whole scheme called Scentsy Club and always get to my bar. So if you have a bar that you absolutely cannot be without, then if you have a Scentsy Club, you can pop it on there and you will get it forever. Okay, so what Scentsy do is even if you are the only person in the whole world that loves that bar, they will continue making it just for you. Okay, so that is the main perk. That's what I love about it. Now, the other perks are once you spend over £36 in your Scentsy Club, you get 10% off. Okay, so 10% off, which is flipping awesome. Now, if you spend over £73 on your Scentsy Club, you get a half price item. Okay, so you get a half price item. So these are all consumables. Okay, you can't put warmers and things like that on your Scentsy Club. They're all things that you use. So like wax, the cleaning products, flowers. You can put pods on there. You can even put whiff boxes on there. Some of you might have seen I did a live opening of my January whiff box the other day. Okay, so you can even put a whiff box on there. So with the whiff box, as in the first place, I can't even speak, in the first place, it's already hugely discounted. You get amazing offers in the whiff box at £36, but you could put it, if you've spent over 73, as a half price on your Scentsy Club. Okay, so that at half price is absolutely flipping amazing. Now you can set Scentsy Club to be delivered however you want it. You can have it every month, you can have it every other month, or you can have it quarterly. So you set it to be how you want it, how it works for you. And the last perk of having a Scentsy Club is you can collect points. Okay, so over the time you collect points. For every £1 you spend, you get a point, and then you can use those points to buy extra things either directly from the website, or you can use it to offset against some of your Scentsy Club. So all in all, Scentsy Club is absolutely flipping awesome. So here is mine. There we go. My Scentsy box is here. And as you can see, I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm going to open it with you and share what I've got on my Scentsy Club. How flipping exciting. I do love Scentsy Club. Right, let me see if I can open it. Have I done it enough? Probably shouldn't have me live with scissors. Not always a good idea. So we've got a little bit of packaging, all recyclable. Okay, so we'll pop that out of the way. And let me share what I have on my Scentsy Club this time. As I say, I've got two clubs. So mine comes sort of, I get one month, one the following month, and then I have a month off. All right. So I have got Blue Agave and Melon. This was a summer fragrance a couple of years ago. Absolutely fell in love with it. It's, well, let's sniff it and talk about it. It's quite fresh. It's obviously got melons in there. It's got kiwi in there. And it's also got a little bit of, what do I want to say? Melon, kiwi. I'm sure there is like almost a bit of vanilla. And the agave flower is a succulent. So that's what gives it its freshness. So fresh and fruity. Absolutely gorgeous. So I fell in love with this, and I often use this in our front room. Okay, so that's Blue Agave and Melon. Oh, vanilla blackberry. You know how much I love all the really lovely vanilla fragrances. This is really lovely, warm vanilla and fruity. Absolutely gorgeous. top favourite of mine. Be Fabulous. Oh, I love it. This is quite a bright fragrance. It kind of wakes you up. It's got limoncello in there. What else has it got in there? Let's have a little sniff. I'm sure it's got some grapefruit, and I've really found that I love grapefruit fragrances, and I hadn't realised how much I love those. But yes, it's got, oh, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely flipping gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And there's also a sweet, sort of like a musky fragrance in there as well, so gives it a bit of depth. But that is Be Fabulous. I love it, and that had to go on my Scentsy Club. Lychee Sorbet. This is quite a fizzy fragrance, so very fruity, but think sniffing lemonade, and that fizziness you get from lemonade, that's what that's like. So you've got quite a fizziness to Lychee Sorbet. Absolutely gorgeous. Cherry Vanilla. This is a lovely, again, a lovely warm vanilla fragrance with that lovely cherryness to it. Absolutely gorgeous. Bit like baking cherry pie. If you like cherry pie, you would love that one. So that's one I use in the kitchen quite a bit. Love that. This one I get to give any friends for their birthdays, so I keep this on my Scentsy Club so I can give it out when it's people's birthdays. So birthday wishes, that's like cupcakes. Think sniffing like buttercream and cupcakes and things like that. That's what that one's like. Gorgeous. This is another fizzy one. Cherry Limeade. I love this. So Cherry Limeade is, again, a bit like, think sniffing cherry pop. So anything like that. It's got that fizz to it, but that lovely fruitiness. Love Cherry Limeade. Quite like cherry fragrances, as you can see, as well. What else have I got in here? Lemon Blossom Basil. This is another really fresh one. This is one I have in my kitchen an awful lot because I really like the basilness to the lemon. I absolutely love that. So Lemon Blossom Basil. So I've got quite a few in here. What else have we got? We have got Pineapple Pucker. That was one of the first pineapple ones I ever smelt. So this was when we first started. And in fact, you can still get this one. This is currently in the clearance. And I think you can get the bars, you can get scent circles. I think you can get scent packs as well in the clearance. This is gorgeous. Pineapple Pucker, and it really is, as it sounds, gorgeous pineapple. Hits you in the face, that lovely pineapple fragrance, that lovely freshness. Now, this was one of the first fragrances I ever smelt, and it's this fragrance that I think got me totally hooked on Scentsy. This is called Summer Holiday. Now, I think this is quite a relaxing fragrance. So imagine you're on your summer holidays, you're lying on the beach. This is what you need to smell. If I can open it. So I had people in America ask me about the foil on our waxes because they don't have them in America, but over here we have foil on ours. And what happens is this so it doesn't leak in transit. That's all it is. Keeps it nice and fresh so it doesn't leak anywhere when it's being shipped over to us. Oh, it's gorgeous. So this has got oranges in it. It's got vanilla. It's got tiger lily. It is just a really beautiful, relaxing fragrance. As I say, this was one of the first ones I smelt, and this, along with vanilla bean buttercream and coconut, not coconut limeade, coconut, oh, I can't even think now. It will come to me in a second, but those three are what got me totally hooked on Scentsy. Absolutely flipping love them. Coconut lemongrass, there we go. I knew it would come to me eventually. This is what happens when you're going through the menopause and your brain just shuts down. There you go. Menopausal brain for you. So coconut lemongrass, vanilla bean buttercream, and this one are the three that totally got me hooked into Scentsy. But this one in particular, I absolutely flipping love. So those are the bars I got. And then as my half price, so I could get a whiff box, but because I always order my whiff box right at the beginning of the month, and I don't normally get this till partway through, I get a flower on my Scentsy Club for half price. So this is my half price item. Our fragrance flowers. If you haven't had a fragrance flower, they are absolutely flipping gorgeous. They're like reed diffusers, but look like, well, let me show you quickly. Let's open it up. Let's open it up and I will quickly show you what a fragrance flower looks like because they are amazing. So pretty. So pretty. So you've got these gorgeous flowers. They're made of solar wood. Look at that. Ooh, which way am I going? That way. It's because I've flipped the camera around. I can't work out where I am now. So they're made of solar wood, and you literally pop them into the bottle of oil. So this is sea salt and avocado, which I adore. Okay, I can't work out where the camera is. There we go. It's that way. Good grief. My other half, my lovely Keith, said to me, you should turn your camera around so when you show things, people can read them. So I did it, and now I can't work out where I am. So this is, as it says, it's sea salt, it's avocado, but it also has some orange in there, which gives it a lovely bright fragrance. So you literally pop the flower into the oil, it all infuses in and smells amazing. So these are perfect for in smaller rooms. So these are £19.50, but because it's on my club, this is my half price item. Okay, so absolutely flipping gorgeous. So there we have it. That is my Scentsy Club. So if you fancy getting anything on Scentsy Club, if there are bars that you cannot be without, so particularly when we have limited offer bars, so things like the Bring Back My Bars, I've already added a couple for my club for next time, then let me know and I can help you set up your club. Those perks are flipping awesome. It is so worth having. All right then, my lovelies, I am going to go and warm some of this wax. So have a lovely, lovely, lovely rest of your Saturday. Take care, and I will speak to you all very, very soon. Loads of love. Bye.